if you look at the distance between the furrows we created earlier, you could see that from the index finger and the thumb, see, from here to here, and then from here to here. So it's as twice as normally it should have been. So we have decided to create another. We have decided to nest the seeds in between this line also. Yes, now we can see that the seeds are doing very well. I mean, the plants, they've grown very well. So we will nest in between. Yes, that is what we are doing now. So if you take a look, yeah, so we nest another one over here, we nest another one over here, and we nest the other one too in the middle here and over here. All right, guys. Yes, so we have a problem here. Yes, if you look at the grass, yes, we've started noticing insects eating the grass. Yes, so this is a problem that we need to solve. So we work on that. Yes, and give you an update. Yes, that is a problem we are facing now. Yes, some few plants that we have this on, so you will find out and then we will solve the problem. Yes, so I just wanted to keep you an update on that, or draw your attention to that. Yeah, so this is the Brachiaria grass, the 4th week of Brachiaria grass after nursery. This is the 4th week. Yes, the 4th week of Brachiaria grass. Hello there, guys. Welcome to Ilyasu Farms. Welcome to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing well today. Today marks the 4th week of the germination of the Brachiaria grass after the nursery. Seriously, there have been a massive improvement since the 1st week of the germination. If you remember, in our first video, I made mention of nursing the remaining seeds in between the furrows in case germination becomes successful. Normally, the required space in between the furrows should be like the distance between the index finger and the thumb. But we spaced our furrows as twice as that so that we could nest the remaining seeds in between them in case germination goes on well. And by God's grace, the grasses have grown very well. So today, we will be having a closer look at the Brachiaria grass at the 4th week. At the same time, we will be nursing the seeds in between the furrows and create other seed beds to nurse the remaining seeds. So come along with me as I show you what is going on. Guys, please hit on the like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates. All right, guys, so this is the Brachiaria grass at the 4th week of germination. Yes, we will get much closer. the 4th week of germination. Yes. Mr. Mutala. Yes. How is the Brachiaria grass?
So, what thank God. Because, see, you want to do something where you call God name, say God will make you help you.
Yes.
And then, before you start, you make God name. So, God will help us where the thing will grow small.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
after this, this place where it remains, the next week we will start that one too.
Yes.
See how God will help us.
Yes. Inshallah.
Thank God.
Okay. We thank God.
The thing we not do for nothing.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, we thank God. It is good.
Yes.
It's so nice and so exciting to see.
Yes.
Yes. Since the day of nursery, I mean the first day till now, there have been a massive improvement. That is so nice and so interesting. Yes. Thank you for your work also. Thank you very much. Yes. That is the Brachiaria seed. All right, guys, so we have done the same thing for all the beds. We have nest in between the spaces for all the seed beds. That is Brachiaria grass at the 4th week. 4th week of Brachiaria grass after nursery. That is so nice and beautiful. So nice and beautiful. All right, guys. So we will bring you an update of the Brachiaria grass at the 5th week of germination. Next week, we will bring you an update. They are so nice. All right. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video for me as we bring you more and more in the subsequent videos. All right, thank you very much once again, and see you next time. Bye.